Hello, this video is going to show you how to use the built-in whiteboard feature in Windows 10. So down here on your taskbar, you have this Windows Ink workspace. If you click on it, it pulls up a whiteboard and a full screen snip. If for any reason you can't find this or don't have it on your taskbar, you can come over here into your search bar at the bottom left and type in whiteboard, and the Microsoft Whiteboard will pull up and open. I can create a new whiteboard. And so from here I have all these controls down at the bottom. I have my pen and I can write in whatever color I want. If I uncheck the pen, I come back, I have a text box I can put in, I can add a note, and I can add images also along with PDFs, Word documents, or PowerPoints. And what's really nice about this, if I click PDF and I want to pull in a PDF document, so I just say open, and I can actually select what pages I want. And so if I have multiple pages, I can select multiple pages, but I'm going to insert this selected option. And so I can make this smaller, bigger, I can move it around if I want it over here, I can opt to move it over there, anything that I want to do. It's an infinite whiteboard, so I can keep moving, I can go around it if I want to. Now I can come back to my pen feature and write in on the document. Uncheck that. I also have the option to add an image. So if I go back to where I have my map, and I don't want it over top of this, so I want to move it over here. And then I can move over and I can make this bigger. And now I can say, locate our state on the map. When you're ready and you're done, you can click this back arrow and go back, and it actually saves your whiteboard so you can go back to it later. And if I need to rename it or anything, I can name it Practice Whiteboard. Done, and now I can go back to it. So if I close out of this, anytime I go back to my whiteboard, it brings me back into my menu of boards, and I can easily open this back up again and continue to edit, or I can come over here and create a new whiteboard.